Is it time to buy or sell Advanced Micro Devices stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Advanced Micro Devices. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 2nd of May, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 2nd of May, 2025, our system has ranked Advanced Micro Devices as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 2.74. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to see how it develops in the days ahead. The stock is positioned at the upper part of a very wide and declining trend in the short term. This typically presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $105.07 would initially suggest a slower rate of decline, but it may also serve as the first indication of a trend shift. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 17.56% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 39.86% to negative 12.33%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 37.01%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from negative 53.45% to negative 17.33% over the coming year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $45.99 and $81.68. Our latest daily update for Advanced Micro Devices includes the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for Advanced Micro Devices Stock Price After Friday Trading. The Advanced Micro Devices stock price increased by 2.22% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 2nd of May, 2025, rising from $96.65 to $98.80. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 1.59%, with a low of $98.32 and a high of $99.88. The price has increased in 6 out of the last 10 days and is up by 12.99% over the past 2 weeks. There was an increase in trading volume on the last day, along with the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 741,000 more shares traded than the day before. In total, 30 million shares changed hands for approximately $2.93 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $187.28, while the lowest price was $76.48. Currently, the price is 47.24%, or $88.48, below the 52-week high, and 56.53%, or $128.50, below the all-time high reached on the 8th of March, 2024, when the price hit $227.30. Advanced Micro Devices, or AMD, is set to report its first quarter earnings soon, and expectations surrounding this announcement are mixed. While its data center and client segments are anticipated to show strong growth, weaknesses in the embedded and gaming divisions could offset some of those gains. Historically, AMD has had a knack for surprising investors with earnings beats, and analysts believe it has the right conditions to do so again. Their data center business, which represents nearly 1/2 of total revenue, has shown resilience, recovering significantly from lows experienced in April, despite ongoing trade tensions and semiconductor tariffs. This strong performance in data centers could be crucial for AMD's valuation, which currently stands at a forward earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization multiple of 21.2 times, hinting that the market may have already priced in various risks. However, challenges remain as AMD lags behind competitors like NVIDIA in the artificial intelligence sector, particularly as a potential slowdown in capital expenditures by hyperscalers could impact growth. The overall sentiment toward chip stocks may be buoyed by expectations surrounding potential talks with China, suggesting a possible upward movement in the sector. In the short term, upcoming earnings could lead to heightened volatility in AMD's stock price, while long-term prospects will depend significantly on its ability to innovate and capitalize on market trends, particularly in artificial intelligence and data centers. How the company navigates these challenges will be pivotal for its valuation and investor sentiment moving forward. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned Advanced Micro Devices a buy rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 16th of April, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup also assigned a buy rating to AMD with a hold action. On Thursday, the 27th of March, 2025, Jefferies rated AMD as hold with a downgrade action. On Tuesday, the 11th of March, 2025, Citigroup assigned a neutral rating to AMD with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 19th of February, 2025, Piper Sandler gave AMD an overweight rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Advanced Micro Devices stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also provide the stock with a neutral rating. The following signals have been identified for Advanced Micro Devices. The chart today indicates mostly positive signals. The stock of Advanced Micro Devices holds buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a favorable outlook. However, there is a general sell signal due to the relationship between these two averages, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. Support can be expected at levels of $96.62 and $97.44. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 8th of April 2025, and since then, the stock has increased by 26.33%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, a buy signal is present from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. The volume is rising along with the price, which is regarded as a strong technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 18 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 21 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 9 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 22 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 8 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 127 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 121 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Advanced Micro Devices. Advanced Micro Devices finds support from accumulated volume at $96.84. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. The stock typically shows average movements throughout the day, and, with a healthy trading volume, the risk is classified as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.56 between its high and low, reflecting a change of 1.59%. During the past week, the stock experienced daily average volatility of 3.38%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Advanced Micro Devices, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio may suggest that the stock is overvalued, or it could indicate that investors are anticipating significant growth in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 6th of May, 2025. Analysts have consensus estimates set at 93 cents. Be sure to monitor these figures, as they can have a substantial effect on stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Advanced Micro Devices. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Advanced Micro Devices is at $100.75. If you do not own any shares, You may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Advanced Micro Devices encounters its first support level at $96.84. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Advanced Micro Devices from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Papermaster Mark D, who bought and sold 70,000 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 15.889. Overall, insiders acquired 993,364 shares and disposed of 1,414,783 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $94.63, reflecting a decrease of 4.22%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a moderate level of risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal generated from a pivot bottom identified 17 days ago. Is Advanced Micro Devices stock a good buy? While the stock is currently experiencing a downward trend, several short-term indicators are showing positive signs. We believe that the current price level could present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for the stock to perform well in the near future. As a result, we have upgraded our analysis from a hold or accumulate recommendation to a buy candidate. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 5th of May, we anticipate that Advanced Micro Devices will open higher by 0.2%, starting at $99. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and you should consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Do not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.